Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video we're going to do one of my all-time favorite tin food. I'm really excited to show you guys how I achieve a really yummy tin mackerel, and you can't go wrong with this, trust me. In Jamaica we call it flash out, dash out, dutty, gal, tin, boom, all those funny names. Okay, I'm just gonna jump right into it real quick. So I have hot pepper here, I have onions here, and I also have assorted sweet peppers, green and red, and I have a tin mackerel here which I'm gonna use. I have some black pepper, and I'm gonna use some vegetable oil. Over here in my pot that is already preheated, I'm going to go ahead and throw some vegetable oil in there. Not too much but not too little at the same time. And now I am going to throw my seasonings in just to saute. Just gonna make that saute really nicely. Seasoning smells so good. You just want to get all this flavor out into the oil, so you just keep mixing it around. Try not to make anything burn. And this protein literally takes you under 5 minutes to do. Literally takes you under 5 minutes. And you can eat your mackerel with rice. You can eat your mackerel with cooked food like dumplings, yam, potato, banana, and all that good stuff. And enjoy it. Some people even use mackerel to make sandwiches and salads. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull my tin mackerel and throw everything out in there. I'm just gonna give it a little shake first. But this mackerel that I'm using, the mackerel in there is very chunky. So when I throw it in, I am just going to lightly cut the chunks. If you can see, 3 chunks fall out, and they're kind of big. So I'm just gonna go ahead and smash it just a little bit, not to crush it out, but just to separate this big chunk. Like that. Just to get good bite-sized pieces. And it smells so good. So as you can see, the chunks, when you cut them slightly, they fall into really nice bite-sized pieces. Some people add ketchup to their tin mackerel, but this has so much sauce and the perfect taste. I don't want to add ketchup to it, so I won't. The only thing that I'll add to this right now, just to make it perfect, is my black pepper, which is the last thing that I'll add to it. Add my black pepper, and I'm just going to let this simmer for a minute or two, and then my tin mackerel is ready. That's how simple and easy it is to do tin mackerel. So if you're non-Jamaicans and you see this in the store, you can buy it, try it, and tell me how it goes for you. And we're gonna have this with some boiled dumplings and a banana. Alright you guys, and there you have it, our tin mackerel. I'm gonna have it the real Jamaican way, full of pepper, enough pepper, and boiled dumplings and bananas. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to Mel's Kitchen. Catch up and keep up with everything that I'll be cooking and showing you guys. Enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.